How do I redirect to another web page? How can I redirect the user from one page to another using jQuery or pure JavaScript? jQuery is not necessary, and window.location.replace will best simulate an HTTP redirect. Window.location.replace is better than using window location, href, because replace does not keep the originating page in the session history, meaning the user won't get stuck in a never-ending back button fiasco. If you want to simulate someone clicking on a link, use location.href. If you want to simulate an HTTP redirect, use location.replace. For example, thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.